Features and details. For USA buyers, this smartphone is not compatible/will not work with any CDMA networks including Verizon, Sprint, US Cellular. Please check with your network provider for 3G or 4G per LTE compatibility check before you purchase. Dual SIM, network compatibility, SIM card 1 and 2, 2G, GSM 850/900/1800/1900 and or 3G, HSDPA 850, B5/900, B8/1900, B2/2100, B1, and or 4G, LTE, and or 5G, SA/NSA. 6.67 inches, AMOLED, 1B colors, 120 Hz, 800 nits, HBM, 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 ratio, 395 ppi density. 256 GB storage, 8 GB RAM. Android 12, Magic UI 6.1. Qualcomm SM6375 Snapdragon 695 5G, 6nm, octa-core, 2x2.2 GHz Cryo 660 Gold and 6x1.7 GHz Cryo 660 Silver. 64 MP, front, 16 MP.